Enjoy a powerful clean with the Proheat 2X Revolution. Assembling your machine is quick and easy. Slide the upper handle into the top of the unit. It will click when secure. Align the carry handle with the slots on either side of the base. It will click when secure. Using a Phillips screwdriver, secure the carry handle with the screw that's taped to the upper handle. Wrap the cord around the carry handle and quick release hook. Align the clean water tank with the grooves on the bottom of the upper handle. Your Proheat 2X Revolution is now assembled and ready to use.